So this is first question of chapter electric charges and fields of physics class 12th, and we are going to solve it, and we are going to not always only solve it, but we are going to solve it in a way that you can solve directly in exam, right? So in exam what we have to do is we have to write in a step so that we can get the maximum marks possible. So first of all we have to start with given that we have to write. So the question is, what is the force between two small charges, a sphere having charges of 2 into 10 to the power 6 c and 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air. Okay, so the q1 that is given here is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and q2 that is given here is 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and the distance between these two charges is 30 centimeter, and we have to take it in SI unit, means 0.3 meter, right? So now what we have to do is for calculating force, we know Coulomb's law, and then you have to write the formula of Coulomb's law. F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square, right? And then you have to put it in the box, and now what you have to do is put the values. The value of this is F we have to calculate, and K value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square Coulomb square, right? Then we have the first charge q1 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Then we have second charge 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, right? And then I have the distance between them, that is 0.3 meter square, right? So now we have to solve this, and by solving this what we can see that we have to take 9, then 2, then 3, like that you have to solve the, so this calculation will going to be simple for you. And then 10 to the power 9, then 10 to the power minus 7, and then 10 to the power minus 7, like this you have to segregate all this calculation, and then 3 0.3 into 0.3, right? Now this can also be written as if you take out that point, you will going to see that it will be 10 to the power 2, okay, and it will become 3, right? 3 into 3. So now what you can do is you can cut that 9 with 3 and 3, so that you can get a little simplified calculation here. And now after that what you can do is one second. Now we have 2 and 3, so this is going to be 6, and 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power 9 minus 10 to the power 14, that's 7 and 7 are going to be 14, and plus 2, right? And this is going to be 6 into 10 to the power minus 14, and 9 plus 2 is 11, so 10 to the power minus 3. And because this is force, so the SI unit of the force is Newton. So the force electrostatic required is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton, and that is going to be your answer, right?